In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the timer, how to start and stop it reliably, and how to keep your entries clean and accurate so your totals make sense for reporting and billing. First, open ClickUp and look to the left side of your screen. That sidebar is your main navigation. From there, you'll move into the area where your work lives. Click into the space that contains the projects or lists you're working on today. Spaces are the highest level of organization in ClickUp, so choosing the right one helps you get to the correct tasks faster. If you're in a large workspace, use search or collapse folders to reduce clutter and make sure you're in the space where your task actually resides. Next, open the task you want to track. You can do this from list, board, or any view. Just click the task name to open its details. In the task window, you'll see fields like assignees, due dates, and descriptions. Confirm you're in the exact task you plan to work on. Accurate time tracking starts with selecting the right task. If a task has subtasks, pick the one you'll actually work on to keep entries specific and easier to review later. Inside the task, find the track time option, often shown as a clock icon or a track time button. Click it to start the timer. You'll see it begin counting immediately. If you like, add a short note describing what you're doing. This makes future reviews and client summaries much clearer. You can pause and resume as you take breaks, and if you returned a little late to the timer, you can adjust the start or end time to reflect reality. The goal is to capture your work accurately, not perfectly on the minute. You'll also have a central view that shows time across all tasks with active or recent entries. Think of this like your time control center. From here, you can stop the current timer, switch to another task without losing continuity, or review what you've logged today. If you're moving between tasks, stop one before starting another to avoid overlap. Before you wrap up, scan your entries, confirm durations look right, and add quick notes where needed. And remember to stop the timer when you're done to keep totals clean. That's it. Navigate to your space, open the task, click track time, and manage your timers from the All Tasks view for a tidy, accurate log.